New rapid coronavirus tests are now available, promising results really within minutes. But as 8 on Your Side's investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi found out, medical experts question the accuracy of some of those rapid tests.
Well, if you tested positive for the coronavirus, then you have it, no question there. This morning, the concern is about false negatives.
In general, antigen tests are not as sensitive.
This morning, 8 on Your Side investigates the accuracy of different coronavirus tests. Dr. Bobby Pritt is a professor of clinical microbiology, a physician at the Mayo Clinic with over 15 years experience in the field. We started by talking about the new quick tests coming that detect antigens.
So what we're seeing with some of these rapid antigen tests is that they will miss up to 4 out of 10 positive patients when they test.
The bad news, 4 out of 10 times, sick patients are getting a false negative with these rapid antigen tests. Dr. Pritt says not all rapid tests are the same.
The best test that we have right now is a test that detects the genetic material of the virus. That's called reverse transcription PCR.
Here's the good news. You likely had a PCR test. They're the gold standard. These tests detect viral RNA and respiratory secretions. But despite that, Dr. Pritt says new data suggests even these tests can give you the wrong result about 20% of the time.
What we're starting to learn is that early on in the disease, there may not be a lot of virus present.
The problem isn't the PCR test. As Moffitt's Dr. John Green explains, researchers are discovering that in the beginning, you might just not have enough of the virus for detection.
This test picks up a certain quantity of virus in your nasopharynx, and that amount of virus may not be necessarily found there until, say, several days, week later, when the virus has been able to multiply.
So the bottom line here, if you feel sick, you have those COVID-19 symptoms, it is best to act accordingly, even if you get a negative test result. And the newsroom, Mahsa Saeidi, 8 on Your Side.